Our user-friendly website makes it easy to customize your trip, whether you need a one-way transfer, round trip, or hourly service. With our secure online payment options, you can book with confidence, knowing that your information is protected. At ORM Transfers, we understand that time is valuable. That's why we offer flexible scheduling options designed to accommodate your busy lifestyle. Our professional chauffeurs are trained to provide a seamless experience, whether you're traveling for business, heading to a special event, or simply exploring the beauty of Jamaica. Our fleet is a reflection of our commitment to excellence. Choose from a selection of executive sedans for a refined ride, or opt for our premium SUVs if you need extra space and luxury. Every vehicle in our fleet is meticulously maintained and fully equipped with amenities like free Wi-Fi, USB charging ports, dual-zone climate control, and leather interiors to enhance your comfort.